In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python on your Windows. For it, just go to any browser, then you need to search here Python, then press enter, and there you can see python.org. Welcome to Python. Just click here, and I'll just keep this link in the description. And after coming here, you will see this download option. Also, you hover the cursor on the download option, you will see this download for Windows. There you can see. So you just need to click on this, and it will download a exe file over here. There you can see, and it is around 26 MB, and there you can see the download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click here. After that, here you can see add python.exe to path. You must check this option. Okay, after checking those two, then click here customize installation. Then make sure you have all those checked, then click on next. And here you need to choose this option. Make sure to enable this install Python 3.13 for all users. Then you need to click on install. And here you can see this is the location where the Python will be installed. Just click on install and it will start installing Python. So this will take a few seconds. Right now I'll just fast forward the video. And there you can see the setup was successful. So right now we can just close this. After that, just go to your Windows search option. Say here CMD. There you can see command prompt. Click on it. Here, if we just say Python -- version, then press enter, it will show us the Python version. Now let's say you want to write some Python code. So if you just close this, and right now if we just search over here IDLE, it will show us this. This is the thing that we just installed. So we'll just open it, just click here, and it will show you something like this to write the Python code. Here we can write print, then to first bracket, inside it we need to give two double quotation, and you can print anything. Let's say here welcome to Python. Right now if we just press enter, it will print welcome to Python. So this is how you can download and install Python on your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.